In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how to replace the driver's side front sway bar and link located right here on the front of your suspension. I'm going to go ahead and remove our center cap here. Just going to pop in through this little notch right here. Get behind there and pop that off. I'm going to use a 21mm socket. I'm going to loosen and remove our lug nuts. Once we have our lug nuts loose, go ahead and grab the wheel, slide it off and set it aside. Using a 19mm deep socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this upper nut. Let's go ahead and do the same for the bottom one here. Let's go ahead and install the lower threaded rod first. Install our washer. And we'll get our nut spun on here. On this side right here, we're going to use an 18mm wrench to hold that in place. And on this side here, we're going to use a 21mm socket to go ahead and tighten that down. Let's get torque this down to 95 foot-pounds. Now I'll repeat for the top. Let's go ahead and torque down the nut to 95 foot-pounds here as well. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Set that on. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts all started by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug those down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. Now go ahead and put on your center cap. Just line that up. Pop that on and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.